Hi, I'm Balca. I'm co-founder and CEO of VRover. I'm Turkish.
I'm Hovakim Zakarian. I'm co-founder and CEO of Denovo Sciences. I'm from Armenia.
I'm Abhijit, co-founder and CTO at Polymerize. I'm originally from India.
My name is Farouk. I'm the founder and CEO at Datox.
My name is Ash, originally from Iran. I came from San Francisco Bay Area. That's where our company is based.
I am Batu. I'm the co-founder of Syntonym. I'm from Turkey.
This is Ahmed Jadallah. I'm originally from Jordan, and I am the founder and CEO of Bionel.ai.
As VRover, we are providing preventive maintenance solutions, health monitoring system solutions for wind turbine blades especially.
Just imagine that you manage AI laboratory with many, like hundreds of AI chemists. They generate a lot of data in the virtual environment, don't depend on existing data, and we can work against any target and disease where no data exists.
We are essentially helping chemical companies to accelerate their R&D by providing them predictive analysis, which can use their historical data, give them predictions on what experiments are more probably can succeed, and get the innovative properties in terms of materials.
My startup, Datox, is AI regulatory reporting platform that helps financial institutions democratize and ease the process of regulatory compliance.
Felix Fusion is a one-click pass to the awarded government contract. We do all the heavy lifting for a manufacturer so they can just fulfill their product and realize their revenue.
Syntonym generates non-existing faces to anonymize visual data. We came up with a way that when we anonymize the visual data, the data can be used for AI training and inference.
To do any genetic test, you need to do a process called sequencing. The sequencer gives you what we call raw data. We as Bionel, a computational bioinformatics platform, we ingest that raw file and we do all the steps required until we reach the final clinical report.
After we settled a company here and moved here, Alchemist directed us to the all governmental bodies such as QRDI, QSTP, and some major companies, energy companies here. And it was a huge milestone for us.
Recently, we received a very substantial investment from Alchemist Doha. We just launched a new partnership with Cornell Doha and Sidra. The goal is discover and develop drugs against homocystinuria, which is a very rare but unfortunately very common disease in Qatar and against which there is no drugs.
At this point, we have two good investors from Qatar, including QDB and Alchemist. Qatar Ghoul was like a connection through QRDI. So one of the best things that happened to us, like when we moved to Qatar, QRDI technical grant. This kind of grants also gives industries to some freedom, like they can do innovate because there is a funding from external agency as well coming.
The support that is being provided by Alchemist and QRDI was one of the biggest decision-making factors for us to choose Qatar. We're not only being taken care of well, but we're also being provided a lot of resources and support beyond just capital benefits. So I had the opportunity to meet with all the key stakeholders we would like to establish relationships with. Among them would be QFC, QFCRA, and several other institutions.
Through Alchemist, I connected to vast amount of investors, mentors, to be able to grow our technology and connect to the government agencies and different ministries in Qatar.
One way Alchemist is helping us is actually their close collaboration with QRDI and the government institutions just makes things easier.
We are partnering with Sidra Medicine on a pilot project for leveraging our bioinformatics platform for their staff, their scientists, and the good funding, the leap of faith that QRDI and Alchemist, of course, are putting is very, very important. And the team is extremely supportive, even in the personal matters.
Alchemist directed us to the all governmental bodies such as QRDI. Really good R&D infrastructure here, really good innovation ecosystem, and also we can build long-term partnerships here. I think QRDI is a huge partner in this regard.
Qatar is now at such a stage where they're very open and welcoming to these innovative ideas and innovations in their processes.
Amazing scientists using their amazing research facilities.
Financial resources are available, and also it has a modern society.
This is the first country in the GCC region who came up with data privacy regulations quite similar to the European ones. It's called PDPPL.
Doha is quite welcoming, and building something here, I think it's easier than other regions.
Qatar as a market is a great market to test in and to validate in. This is definitely an attraction for startups.
I felt like I've been in my home country.
It's definitely one of the best areas to live in the world. That's fantastic.